Welcome, it's DC. So in today's video, we're gonna be looking at two assets. We have the Crash 1000 and also Boom 1000. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm seeing in these two markets. So basically that's what we're gonna be doing. We wanna analyze and share with you guys what I'm seeing in Boom and Crash 1000. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, share and like this video. So let me start with Crash 1000. So with Crash 1000, if you go on the higher time frame, we can see that we have a generally a downtrend. The trend is bearish. The market is coming down. But when price reached this level, because I'm assuming that price should reach this low, there must be a continuation of the downtrend until price reaches this low. So this is where I'm taking it from. We can see price, I think, from this period. I think from here, price has been just moving down, and I'm assuming that price should continue and reach probably these levels. So in this analysis, I'm gonna be using price action, pure price action. We are not using ICT. We're just using price action. So let me go back to our analysis, what I'm seeing now. So this is very clear. We can see one, we have a trend line. Price has been respecting this trend line. You can see there was a touch here, there was a touch here, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. So this trend line is a valid trend line. Why? Because it has been respected multiple times, and price is reacting to this trend line. So that's one. So the blue line is our trend line. So we have a trend line at this particular point. We have a trend line. So this is our trend line. The blue, okay, let me just fix this. We have a trend line here. So you can see this is our trend line. The blue line is our trend line. That's one. Then secondly, we have this zone. We can see price, when it was here, it was like a triangle, and there was a support, and price was reacting to this bottom line. We can see it reacted here. This was a support, and then it went up, and then it came here. This was a fake out, and then it went up and came back again at this particular position, and it bounced off. Then eventually price was able to break this support level, and then it came down. Then it came back again to retest this trend line. So this support level, this level is a flip zone. These are the most important or key zones that we have on this chart. This zone is very, very strong. It was our support, and it has been turned into a resistance at this particular point. So we have these two things, the trend line and our support level, or our flip zone. So these are the two important points. So we're assuming that when price comes to this level where we have the trend line and our support level, we are anticipating that price should reverse, and there must be a continuation of the downtrend. So this is what I'm seeing in Crash 1000. So this is what I'm seeing in Crash 1000. Price should come back, it should move up, and here, this is where we are anticipating the continuation of the bearish trend. So here, after this correctional wave, we're going to have this impulsive. So price is supposed to even break this level, but for now, we'll just focus on this support level, and then we'll take our profit from there. So price, when it reaches this level, we're anticipating that price should then reverse or retrace and come to this level. So that's one. Then let's go back to Boom 1000. I think on our live that we had last time, some of you guys were disappointed with how the analysis turned up. So one, we still stick to the what? To this bullish movement. We're still sticking to the bullish movement. But what actually went wrong was that, okay, let me just analyze what happened. So here we can see there's now a change of character, and price is moved up. So this is on a daily time frame, and this analysis is very powerful. So the reason why price is now moving up after a very long time, the price was just in a downtrend, and when it reaches here, there was an order block here. There's an order block. So price was able to move up and grab external range liquidity, and then it came back. When price came back, it came to this order block. This is where it was able to grab internal range liquidity. So we are assuming that price, for the continuation of an uptrend, price should go above this high and create a new high, so that it grabs external range liquidity that is lying on top of this high. So this is what I'm anticipating in Boom 1000. So let's go back to what actually went wrong in that Fibonacci strategy. That strategy, guys, works. So I tried to look at that video and tried to look at what actually went wrong. So I saw that that's one thing. I think I have to make a video on how to use the Fibonacci golden zone for trading. So the problem that you're gonna face when you want to use the Fibonacci trading strategy is that where exactly are you going to place your to start your Fibonacci? So the retracement was this down movement. So we wanted to know where exactly this down movement was going to end so that we start moving up with the trend. So the mistake that we did was that we came here, I think it was on H4. If you come on H4, I think we took our two, was it here? Yes, it was here. We took our two here, and then we said price was going to reverse. No, it was here. Price was going to reverse here, and this is the mistake that we made. And here, when there was a pin bar, we said now price is going to reverse, and then unfortunately price continued to go down. Why did this happen? It was because of the fact of where we started drawing our zone, our Fibonacci. Where we started on this point. We're supposed to start. If you go on the daily time frame, we're using H4 by that time. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that this movement, this is our swing low, and this was our swing high. So we're supposed to be able to identify this is our valid high low, not this point that we picked. So using your market structure, we're supposed to be able to identify that here this is our high low, and this was going to be this is our high low, this was going to be a high, then high low, and then high. So the continuation of this zigzag pattern of this bullish trend, this was going to help us, if we're going to be using our market structure, to identify that this was the valid point where we're supposed to start stretching our Fibonacci. So that's one mistake that we made. So that's one thing, again, I think when you're using this Fibonacci that you must be aware of. So you must use the high time frame so that you not get into trouble. So if you stretch it here, I want you guys to see something. If you stretch it here, you mark, so this is your swing low and this is your swing high. Just look at what happened. The price reacted with the 61.8, which is our golden zone. So this is our golden zone. So that strategy worked. It's not like that strategy didn't work. It works, but the problem was that when we identified our high low, we didn't do it correctly. So the golden zone, where is gold? Gold is here. So our golden zone was here. The Fibonacci golden zone between 50 and 61.8. So if you see here, price tried to penetrate and go below this level, but was then pushed up, and then now we're anticipating that price should move up. So that strategy, guys, worked, but the mistake that we made was that we picked the wrong swing low. The high low was not the correct one. So that's one thing that I just wanted to explain. But that strategy, I'm telling you guys, works. And I'm going to show you an example of how this strategy has been working on Crash 500. I think that's where I think, but generally in all boom and crash markets and also step index, this strategy works. So the retracement is now over and we're now moving up with the market. So what I'm anticipating in Boom 1000 is this. Boom 1000 is supposed to move up, and here we have this order block, which is the level that I'm assuming that the price, after reaching this order block, is likely going to start reversing. This big impulsive move will probably end at this particular level, and then from then probably we are going to have an experience a correctional wave, and then there's a continuation of the uptrend. So this is what I'm seeing in Boom 1000. Price is supposed to continue moving up until it reaches here. But you must time your entry nicely. If you go to the what, to the lower time frame, maybe you will wait for the market to give you a what, a pullback. You can see here with a nice double top, and here the break, the market was able to, at this particular level, the market was able to, with a double bottom, market was able to come down and then it went up. So just wait for a retracement and get a good entry, and then you move up with boom 1000. So this is what I'm seeing with you. So as I just thought that we should make a quick video and explain what is taking place and what took place. So let me try to see, let me quickly try to see what is taking place here. There was an analysis on crash 500, this one. Okay, I think I explained on two areas. I think the first one was this one, where we had the first retracement. Oh, come on. This one, where we had the first retracement, and price reacted with the what, 61.8. And then there was this one, which we caught in our VIP group. Price reacted with the 61.8. After, we're only concerned about the down movement, and we want to know where exactly this retracement is going to end. And it ended on 61.8, which is our golden zone. And now let's check what happened. If you measure here, there was a retracement, this big retracement, and you see here we had a what, a bearish pin bar, a shooting star. So this strategy, guys, I'm telling you, if the market is trending, it really works. So you can see the market reached here, and then the market is now starting to move down. So this strategy of the Fibonacci that I shared with you guys actually works. So this is what I'm seeing in boom and crash 1000, and also crash 500. So this is what is taking place. So I just thought that I should share with you this amazing video. So please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. We'll be dropping a lot of content like this very soon. I want to start a series on ICT, where I'll be teaching you guys how to use smart money concept and also price action. So we'll be having videos on price action, how to trade using support and resistance, how to draw your support and I think that's a mistake that most people normally make. How do you draw your support resistance? How do you trade using your support and resistance? What are the strategies that we can use using these trend line strategies and support and resistance? Basically, we'll be focusing on price action. Then from there, we'll also look at ICT. So please subscribe to my channel, like and share. So if we also have our amazing spike detector, which you can also use to trade boom and crash. So we have an amazing spike detector. This is our spike detector, which you can also use to what, to trade boom and crash. And we created a guide that can help you to trade this using this spike detector. So this is an amazing tool that we have on our channel. We have this amazing spike detector, which you can use to catch spikes in boom and crash market. And we also have EAs. If you're someone who's interested in using EAs in trading, where you want to you need an automated expert advisor, we also have that. You can get in touch. We have EAs for boom and crash volatility and also step index. So we also have that. Then if you are interested in joining our mentorship classes, we have a mentorship classes where we'll be teaching the same thing, price action, ICT. Then we'll also be teaching you indicator based strategies. So that's the course that we offer. Those are the three main areas that we'll be focusing on. So this stretches for about 3 to 4 weeks. So if you're interested in learning how to trade this derivative, but basically we teach, because when it comes to price action and ICT, we are teaching you to trade anything. If you want to trade gold, if you want to trade forex, that is also included in these two, price action and ICT. Then the course for indicator based strategies is mainly focused on derivative synthetic market. So that's what we have on this channel. And we also have an amazing VIP group where I will be explaining. We also have an amazing VIP group where I explain, and also have a free group where I send signals, and I will be explaining like this here. I was explaining what I was sharing with you guys.
Good morning, family. So I just want to share with you. I shared with you an analysis in class.
Okay, so I do not just
Good morning, family. So just
so I do not just share signals. I share analysis, the same analysis that I was sharing with you guys. I share them in my free group, in my free groups, and also my VIP groups. And I will be sending audios on how you can trade these signals. And I will send audios. I will even text and explaining how we're supposed to trade that. Then we also have our Telegram group. We have our Telegram group where I also share signals and also some trading information. I share a lot of trading information. Even this entry, we're able some analysis. I share them in this group. So please visit our the link for joining this group is there in the description. Then we also have another group where this one is open. You can interact with other traders and share trading information, what you know, what you think, and you can ask other traders what is going to take place in this. So this one is more interactive. We also have a link that is there in the description, which you can use to join our groups. So thank you so much for your time. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. It's bye bye for now.